Hi everyone, super exciting. I'm going to show you my day look and my night look with my favorite Max Factor products. So let's start with face. This is my Facefinity All Day Flawless. Warm Caramel is my skin tone. I just take a few drops and blend, super blendable. And then powder. Beautiful, stunning sienna. Add a little summer sun to my cheeks. I just take the same color and put it on my eyes as well before I do my eyeshadow, and everything feels the same. This is an amazing eyeshadow palette. The Masterpiece Nude palette. So it has mattes and it has shimmer and it has shine. I usually prefer something around here. Just a little bit of shimmer, gorgeous. And then I take the other side of like maybe the brown, add a little contour. That's my eyeshadow. Brows are crucial, so this is the Max Factor Real Brow. I like to be really detailed about my eyebrows, so the ultrafine shape filler is really great for doing that as well. What I do is I try to lift my brows and fill inside. It looks super natural. Lift it, put it in. This was a trick taught to me by a makeup artist called Mickey Contractor about 15 years ago. I still do it. Next thing, the Divine Lashes Mascara. Now this is rich black. I love it. It makes my lashes look like I have extensions. Look at the difference. Gorgeous. Now this is the Lipfinity lipstick. Lasts forever. Rosé proof, kiss proof. I just do a little bit of color. Beautiful corally shade. Let it set for a second and then put on this. Which makes sure it's glossy, fresh, but goes nowhere. And now to go from day to night. Super easy, super quick. I'll take a little bit of the gold for the front. I like to get them in here so that it gives a little pop. Then I take a darker shade, give myself a little bit of a contour, whatever shade might be preferable to you. I'm thinking an eyeliner. So this is the Max Factor High Precision Liquid Liner. So I'm gonna do a quick line. Do you see how high precision this is? It took me like 3 seconds to make a symmetrical cat eye. And then my waterproof mascara, because you don't know what goes on at night. Mascara, a little bit at the bottom too. So we have a little bit more zhuzh. Last but not the least, this is called Sun Bronze. I love the shade for the night.